Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off or disable the repost option or feature on your Instagram post. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to turn off the repost option or repost feature on your Instagram post. Just going to show in this video. For an example, I just going to choose this particular image. So here you can find a repost option. So I just going to turn this off. To turn this off, first of all, click here on your home page and click on the three dot option on the top. Then you just need to swipe down to the bottom section. You can find option called sharing and reuse. Click on this. Now here on the top, you can find option called repost on the post. So actually turn enabled, you just need to disable this. So just turn this off, which actually turned off the post repost option. So just going to the same post here. So you should refresh your home page to get this future update. So just click here. You can now see there is only like, future, comment and share. There is no repost feature. This is how you just turn off the repost option on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.